Hello everyone, my name is Kate from West Ocean. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with your West Ocean LED clock. Let's plug it in first. Okay, here we go. Now I am using my cell phone to do the setup. Go to settings of your cell phone and go to Wi-Fi. Look for a Wi-Fi name starting with WS dash something, and the default password is 12345678. Hit on join. It's circling. It will take a few seconds to join the network. Now it's done. Open your web browser. Here enter 192.168.4.1. go. On the loaded page, you will see the management interface for your West Ocean LED clock. You can start control your clock. Go to clock calibration. You can sync the clock's time to your browser's time, and go to remote controller. You can see this is just like your remote. You can switch it between 12 hours to 24 hours. Back to main page. Here you can manage your daily alarm and check Tuesday, Wednesday like anytime, and already alarm or alarm off. And back to main page. Default setting here. This is where you can program your countdowns to the separate button on the remote control. Back to the main page. And Wi-Fi. Remember, always check adjust the US deadline settings and select the correct time zone. I will keep trying Wi-Fi. I am actually located in Vancouver, so I will choose Pacific time. And here I need to put in my Wi-Fi name. And don't tell my neighbor. Let me double check. I don't want me to make a mistake here. Save. Now we need to unplug the clock and plug it back in again. The green light will flash only a few times, and then it will stable. Once it is stable, it means you have successfully connected your clock with internet. And now you can manage your clock on, you can synchronize the time via internet as well. And we can reload this page and go to Wi-Fi setting. Here you will see an assigned local IP, and mark down this IP address. And let's go back to Wi-Fi setting and connect to your local Wi-Fi again. So now both your LED clock and your cell phone are under the same network and all connected to the internet. Now let's open your web browser again. Here you will put 192.168.1.64. Click on go. Here we go. And moving forward, access the LED clock will be through this IP address. You don't have to connect your phone with your clock anymore. You can just open your web browser on your cell phone or on your computer and put in this IP address and click on go, and then you will have the interface to control your LED clock. And this is all for my video today.